ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद अश्वल ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 694 टीका। संपद उपासना is being explained. The objective is somebody who is ahitagni, who has been performing karma, and that too according to varna ashrama. And for some reason, if there is a vaigunyam in karma, then at that time he can do this sampad upasana, so that in agnihotradi karma, which is alpiyas karma, there is mahat buddhi like ashwamedhari karma buddhi, or they can do phala chintana like the devata loka, which is filled with lot of sukham. Ujjvala also can mean lot of jnanam. So we were seeing that third line from the bottom in Tika. Karmani eva phalavanti na sampadas tatkatham tasam karyata iti ashankya aha. Karmani eva phalavanti na sampadah. Karma, they are, phalavanti means phalavan, bahuvachan, na sampadah. Tat katham tasam karyata. Somebody is asking, karma will give phala, not sampada. So lot of people have this idea that those who do karma will get phala. Those who are just sitting and thinking, what will they get? Sampada is upasana, and upasana has greater phalam than karma. But if somebody does not understand and they give only importance to doing this karma, that karma, so they will have such question that karma will give phalam. These people, they are just sitting, only doing some chintanam, thinking, oh, what is the phalam? There is no phalam. Katham tasam karyata sampadanam karyata katham iti ashankyaha anyatha. In Bhashya, राजसूय अश्वमेध सर्वमेध लक्षणानाम अधिकृतानाम त्रैवर्णिकानाम अपि असंभवस् तेषां तत्पाठः स्वाध्यायार्थ एव केवलः स्यात्. So this is a very technical reason. राजसूय अश्वमेध सर्वमेध लक्षणानाम अधिकृतानाम. So this Rajasuyadi, only a Kshatriya is eligible to perform them. Yes.
स्वामी जी भाष्य से अन्यथा राजसूय अश्वमेध पुरुषमेध सर्वमेध लक्षणानाम।
Purushameda is not there in our part, huh? Only Sarvameda is there. Purushameda also you add it. In my reading, it is Rajasuya, Ashwamedha, Sarvamedha Lakshananam. Purushamedha also. Purushamedha, like Ashwamedha, Purushamedha must have been there, where there was a sacrifice of a Purusha. Like where there is a sacrifice of Ashwa, is Ashwamedha. So for all these, Lakshananam, Adhikratanam, Kshatriyas are supposed to perform them. But everybody studies them. Brahmana also will study Kshatriya, Vaishya, all Traivarnikanam api asambhavaha. All Traivarnika will not perform them, but Traivarnika will do their patha. Tesham tat patha swadhyayartha eva kevala syat. Because swadhyayo adhyatavyaha, this adhyana vidhi is there for everybody. So everybody has to study Rajasuya. Then they will say only Brahmana will perform. Everybody will study Ashwamedha, not Brahmana. Only Kshatriya will perform. Everybody will study Ashwamedha. Then say only Kshatriya will perform. So then, why should I study something which I cannot perform? I am not going to get any punya out of this, etc. See Tika. Vihita adhyanasya artha jnananushtanadi paramparaya phalavatvam ishtam. Adhyana vidhi is there. Vihita adhyanasya artha jnana anushtanadi paramparaya. I get the artha jnanam of it. So then, follow-up of that is anushtanam. If I don't do anushtanam of something, then I will not get the phala. But if I am not allowed to do anushtanam, but I am allowed to only study, or I am asked to study, nitya karma, vedo nityam adhiyatam, but taduditam karma na anushtiyatam. If I am told you cannot do this karma, you cannot do that karma, then that only adhyanam will be for the patha. I will do recitation, that's all. So further, nacha ashwamedhadishu sarvesham anusthana sambhava. But ashwamedhadi, everyone cannot do anusthana. Why? Karmasu adhikritanam api traivarnikanam keshanchit anusthana asambhava. Among Traivarnikas who are, so there is a big group of all human beings. Subset is only Traivarnika, the people who are in the three Varnas. Among them also those who are not prohibited from certain karmas, means those who are adhikari. All Traivarnikas are not adhikari. Somebody has some other defect. Somebody is not married. Somebody's wife has died, or wife is not around. None of those people can perform any yajna. So then, Traivarnikam, from that also, some people cannot do anushtanam. Keshanchit anusthana asambhavat. Atas tesham tad adhyana arthavatva anupapatya. So then their adhyanam will have no purpose. So therefore, what happens when Rajasuya Yajna is there? Kshatriya can perform the Yajna. Brahmana, Vaishya, they will be told, you can do Upasana of Rajasuya. You can do Upasana of Ashwamedha. That is how the entire Brihadaranyaka started. So Sampad Upasana, if you do, you will get Phala. Phalavatvam Eshtavyam ityarthaha. Sampadam api Phalavatvam Eshtavyam. Mahato Ashwamedhadi Phalasya Katham Alpiyas संपदा प्राप्ति इति आशंक्य शास्त्र प्रामाण्य इति अभिप्रेत्य. Somebody says Ashwamedha has great phalam and little karma I will do alpiya sampad upasana. How will I get the same phalam? Katham sampada prapti iti ashankya. The Shastra is pramana. Shastra pramanya. So, if somebody says some Kshatriya is there, that person says, oh, I did so many things to do this karma. And this Brahmana fellow is just sitting there and he's just doing some dhyanam. And in his mind he's enjoying, he's doing Ashwamedha. And you are saying he'll get the same phalam? On what basis? What is the answer?
Shruti pramanam.
Shastra is pramana. Shastra says he will get the result, he will get the result. There is no debate on this. Ten number tippani is beautiful. Vartika is there on. Nati bharosti no buddhehe shastram chet tat param bhavet vidusham shreyase todva na kvachit pratihanyate. Iti sampad shastram sampada api ashwamedadi phala praptihi iti atra tatparyavachet tada pratipatrinam shastrartha pratipattau na manah khedo yukta. Those who are the knowers of this Sampada Shastra, etc., they know that Ashwamedadi Sampada, when you do Sampada Upasana, you'll get Palaprapti. So then, Shastrartha Pratipattau na mana khedo yukta. They should not feel dejected how this so much karma and same phalam for so little upasana. Little upasana means it is simpler, they think. Shastrasya anati shankyatvat ityartha. There is no shanka on Shastra. Anusthana sampadopi phalavatve phalitamaha vidusham. Vidusham shreyase. Vidusha here means upasakas. Sampad upasana, its anushtanam, it will give you phala. Kvachiditi. Brahmanadinam ashwamedadi patho vivakshitaha. So, Shloka says, na kvachit pratihanyate, means nobody will be barred from this. Like Brahmanadi will be eligible for Sampad Upasana of Ashwamedha. Anatishankyatvam tu purusham atyutha nirmula apratisthita tarka anaspadatvam. In Purusha Buddhi, what tarka arises, which does not have any pratishtha. Apratisthita tarka anaspadatvam, anatishankyatvam. Such shanka should not be there. In other words, Shastra is the pramanam. Yadi tat phala prapti upayah kaschana na syat. It would have remained only as a patha. If patha means just recitation, avritti, if that tat phala prapti upaya was not there, but phala prapti upaya is there, even for those who are not, they are Trivarnika and they are not eligible because of different varna, different ashrama, they also can get punya. So Tika says, tada tat patha swadhyaya artha eva iti purvana sambhava. If phala prapti upaya was not there, then it would have been only swadhyaya artha. In other words, whatever is there in the Veda will give the phalam to everyone, anyone who will do the anushtana. as far as karma upasana portion is concerned. And jnanam, there is no anushtanam needed. It will give direct phala. But if somebody says, I am Brahmana, but I know I can do Ashwamedha, I have resources, I have this, that person will do Ashwamedha karma, he will not get phala. Same person, if he does Ashwamedha Sampad Upasana, etc., he will get the phala. What is the rule that you have to follow? And there is no argument there. Why this person can do, why can't I do, why this is? There is nothing. People don't argue when it comes to laukika things, Like, let's say you are going in flight somewhere. So they say, this flight is for people going here. You want to go somewhere with that other flight. You say, no, why can't I go? Your ticket shows you are only for the other flight. No, but I want to go. Then when boarding is there, only those people who have boarding, whatever, number 1, number 2, only they will board. You don't enter Jabardasti. You have to follow rules. Everywhere it is like this. And anywhere people don't want to follow, they'll say, you will not be allowed. Everywhere people should not force themselves, this way, that way. अध्ययनस्य फलवत्वे वक्तव्य फलितमः. Tasmat. So the adhyana is also fruitful in that tasmat tesham sampadaiva tat phala praptis. Tasmat sampadamapi phalavatvam ataha sampada arabhyate. So for those people, by sampad alone, sampada eva tat phala prapti. By sampad, they will get the phala. Sampada is tritiya. Tat phala prapti. Tasmat sampadamapi phalavatvam. See, I'll give you an example. Let us say, here it is Vaidika Drashtanta, but let us say today there is Janmashtami. And lot of places, lot of bhajan, kirtan, and puja, celebration, everything will be there. For some reason, let us say you cannot go there. You are not well, or lot of rain is there, or something is there. What will you do? You can do Sampad Upasana there. Nobody will stop you from mentally going there. Today is very auspicious. Mentally you go to Badrinath. Nobody will stop you. You don't need anything. Just remain there. Any other Krishna temple that you have visited, which in the past, whatever experiences, good experiences that you had, recollect them. Instead of, I can't go here, I can't with this person, that person, just remain in those thoughts. So that is the greatness of this upasana. So Sampad Upasana has phalam. Tika, tesham rajasuyadinam iti yavat. Rajasuya, etc., they will be phalavat. For whom? For Brahmanadi also. How? Through Sampada. Brahmanadinam rajasuyadi adhyana samarthyat. Tesham sampadaiva tat phala praptau api kim siddhyati tada. Brahmanadinam rajasuyadi adhyana samarthyat. They are capable of doing adhyana. Everybody will do it. And then adhyana, they cannot do anushtanam. So it says sampada eva tat phala praptau. Then kim siddhyati? Tasmat sampadamapi phalavatvam. Therefore, sampad is giver of result. Sampad upasana will give you phalam. Iti. Karmanam iva iti drishtantartho api shabdah. Sampadam api. Karma will give you phalam, that you already know. That Purva Pakshi had said karma will give phalam. How sampad? Say karmanam iva iti drishtantartho api shabdah. So karma will give, just like karma will give phalam, sampad also will give phalam. Tasam phalavatve phalitamaha ataha sampada arabhyante. Therefore, this sampad upasana topic has been initiated now. Sixth mantra is complete. Sampadam arambham upapadya prashnavakyam uthapayati. Now sampadam arambham upapadya. Sampada arambham, the starting has been initiated. Upapatti is done. Means it has prayojanam. You can study it. It has prayojanam. You can do upasana. Therefore, upapadya prashnavakyam uthapayati. Ashwala is going to do the prashna. Yagnevalkyeti hovacha katibhirayam adya ऋग्भीर होता अस्मिन् यज्ञे करिष्यति इति तिस्रुभीर इति कतमास्तास्तिस्र इति पुरोनुवाक्या च याज्या च शस्यैव तृतीया किं ताभिर्जयति इति यत्किंचेदं प्राणभृदिति. Now some sampad related questions. Ashwala brings attention of Yagnevalkya. Yagnevalkya iti. Ashwala vacha. Katibihi ayam adya rigvihi. Hota. Rigveda priest is called Hota. Katibihi, by how many ahuti? ऋग्भिः होता अस्मिन् यज्ञे करिष्यति. करिष्यति means shastra shamsana करिष्यति. The stuti etc. By how many offerings of rig? How many types? See, when they say how many is not vyakti. How many here means how many types. Tisrubihi, Yagnevalkya ji gave the answer. 3. 3 rig. 3 types of rig. Tisrubihi iti. What are they? Immediately Ashwala. Katamaha, taha, tisra iti. So actually this is the dialogue happening in Janak Maharaj's court. Everything is not Vedanta. Some upasana, some karma, Udvit, Udgita Brahmana connection were there, Saptanna Brahmana references were there. Everything is there. What are the 3? He says, Puronuvakya, Yajya and Shasya. Puronuvakya means that which is performed before Yaga. Yajya means during the Yaga. Shasya means after in the form of Stuti, etc. And what is the thing that he will attain through all these? Kim tabir jayati iti yat kincha idam pranabhrit. Whatever that is the prani samudaya. Pranam bivarti iti pranabhrit. All jivas. He will attain all. And he will win over all in this way. Yagnevalkya iti hovacha abhikarani abhimukhi karanaya. So his attention is brought. Abhimukhi karana. Pratikam adaya vyachaste. So Katibhi is the pratikam. Katibhihi ayam adya rigbhir hota. Up to that is asmin yagnye. Up to that is the pratika. Katibhir ayam adya rigbhir hota asmin yagnye. Then Vyakhyanam begins. Katibihi means kati sankhyabihi. By how many in the number? Rigbihi. Rigbihi, rig jatibihi. Rig jati, not vyakti. Jatibihi, ayam. Hota, ritvik, asmin yajne karishyati. Karishyati kim? Shastram shamsati. This is the question. By how many? Aha itaraha. Aha itaraha, itara aha. Itara is, who is the itara? Who is the itara?
Ashwala.
Yajnavalkya. This is the question. Up to this, Kati, Sankhya, Bihi, Rigbihi, all this is the question. Up to Asmin Yajna Karishyati, Shastram Shamsati. Then Aha Itaraha. Tisrubihi. The other one said by the three. Three Rigjati Bihi. Iti Uktavantam Prati Aha. Uktavantam Prati Aha. Aha Kaha.
Ashwala.
Ashwala. Ashwala Aha. Who is the Itaraha? So earlier Itara was Yajnavalkya. This Itara is Ashwala. Katamas, Tas, Tisra, Iti. What are those three? Tika. Katibihi, Katama, Iti, Prashnayor Vishayabhedam Darshayati. Katibihi means Katama. Two questions are there. Katibihi and Katama. In the mantra you see. Katibi is in the first line. Katama is in the second. Katamaha is the second. Katibihi Katamaha. So Tikakar says, Katibihi Katama iti prashnayor vishaya bhedam. What is the difference between two questions? Sankhyeya vishayo ayam prashnaha. Purvastu sankhya vishaya. First question is about what?
Sankhya.
Sankhya. Second question is about
Sankhyeya.
Sankhyeya means Swarupa Vishaya. Swarupa Vishaya means what is their nature? Means what are they? It's like asking how many fruits are there? 4. What are they? So you say these. So how many Rik Ahuti? 3 means 3 types. What are they? So now we will begin. That is Sankhyeya Vishaya Prashna. Puronvakya cha prag yaga kaladyaha prayujyante. Richaha. Then what is the next word? Puronvakya cha prag yaga kaladyaha prayujyante. Richaha. Prior to the yaga kala, pura anuvakya prayujyante. Then
Sarjatihi.
Sarjatihi. How sa will be separated? Sa will
Tena saheti tulyoyo.
Sarjatihi. Tena saha tulya. Then it has to be have tritiya. Tena saha. At the end it should have tritiya, not prathama. If it is not sa, it will be sa. Sa Rigjati. In sa you can do sandhi. In sa you cannot do sandhi. Meaning if sa you have to do sandhi, it has to have tritiya there. Sarama. Saramena. सा ऋक् जातिः, that ऋचः प्रयुज्यन्ते पुरोनुवाक्यः, सा ऋक् जातिः पुरोनुवाक्य इत्युच्यते। यागार्थं याः प्रयुज्यन्ते ऋचः सा ऋक् जातिर् याज्य, when for the sake of yaga you perform those ऋक्, they are called yajya. शस्त्रार्थम याः प्रयुज्यन्ते ऋचः सा ऋक् जातिः शस्य, the third one is called shasya. Shastra means stavana, stuti. सर्वास्तु याः काश्चन ऋचस् ताः स्तोत्रिया वा अन्या वा सर्वा एताः सु एतासु एव तिसृषु ऋक् ज्ञातिषु अंतर्भवन्ति। सर्वास्तु याः काश्चन ऋचः, whichever is the ऋक्, स्तोत्रिया वा अन्या वा सर्वा, all of them are etasu tishrushu, in these three categories, ऋक् जातिषु अंतर्भवन्ति, they all are into this. So what are the three? You have to remember: Puronuvakya, Yajya, Shasya.
Yeah.
During, after.
After.
After means most of the stuti, etc., they are done at the end. Like in puja, they say at the end, chant some stotram or bhajan, etc. Tika. स्तोत्रिया नामा अन्या अपि काचित् ऋक् जातिः अस्ति इति आशंक्यः. Stotriya nama kapi, somebody says there is some other ऋक् jati also called Stotriya. See, their antarbhava is in these three only. Anyava iti Shastra jati graha. Any other Shastra jati, because Shasya is there, Shastra could be there. They are also included in this. Videya Bhedat Sarva Shabda Apunaruktihi. Because Videya could be different in there. Therefore, there is a Punarukti. अतश्च संपत्ति करणात् इत्यर्थ. अतः on the next page in भाष्य किम ताभिर्जयति इति यत् किंच इदं प्राणभृत् इति. Whatever, what is he going to attain through this? What is he going to win over? ताभिः किम जयति. जयति, what is the धातु?
जी धातु.
जी.
जी जयति. ताभिर्जयति इति. यत्किंच इदं प्राणभृत्. Pranabhrit means entire prani varga, jiva varga. Atascha, this atascha is what is given in Tika. Atascha sampatti karanat, because of this sampad upasana, he will get the phala. Sankhya samanyat yat kinchit pranabhrit jatam tat sarvam jayati phala jatam sampadayati. Sankhya di samanya. Whatever is the phala jatam, phala samuha, everything he will attain. Sankhyadi samanya, because of the Sankhya samanya. Adi means Adha, Urdhva, Madhya, all of them. Tika. Sankhya samanyat tritva avisheshat iti yavat. This is the Sankhya samanya. Pranabhrit jatam lokatrayam vivakshitam. Pranabhrit jatam lokatrayam, all the three worlds, everything is included in this. So the one who does this Sampad Upasana. So three types of richa worth there, three lokas are there. Bhuhu, Bhuva, Sua. So therefore, Sankhya Samanyam is there. Three richa, three loka. He will attend everything. And in them, Adha, Madhya, Urdhva. Here also, Purva, during, later, like that. Further, Prathama Sankhya Vishayo, Dvitiyastu Sankhya Vishaya Prashna, iti Vibhagam Lakshayati. Next one is also similar now. Yajnavalkyeti hovacha Katyayam Adya Advaryurasmin Yajna Ahutir Hoshyatiti Tisra iti Katamastas Tisra iti Yahuta Ujvalanti Yahuta Atinedante Yahuta Adhisherate Kintabhirjayatīti Yahuta Ujvalanti Devalokameva Tabhirjayati Deepyata Iva Hi Devaloko Yahuta Atinedante Pitrulokameva Tabhirjayati Ativa Hi Pitruloko Yahuta Adhisherate Manushalokameva Tabhirjayati Ada Iva Hi Manushalokaha. So this is similar. Now, earlier it was Hota, now Advaryu. Advaryu has come. He is the Yajurveda priest. And Tati ayam adya advaryuhu asmin yajna ahutir hoshyati. Ashwala is asking, today in the yajna, how many ahutis advaryu will perform? Means how many types of ahuti? Ahutir hoshyati. Hoshyati, who is the dhatu. Who dana danayoho adane prinane. Dana dana. So dana means to give something. So this dana. Dana danayoho adane prinane cha. Juhotyadi gan dhatu. Kartari lid. Pratham purusha ekvachana. Hoshyati. Ahutir hoshyati. Iti. Tisra. Yajnavalkya said 3. Iti. Katamaha. Ashwala is asking, what are those? Tas tisra iti. What are those 3? Katamaha taha tisra. Iti. Iti means Ashwala is over. Yahuta ujvalanti. He says 3 types of ahutis. Those which are like ghee. As soon as you offer or samid, these wooden sticks, etc., immediately the fire will flare up. Ujvalanti. And the result of that is people will go to Devaloka because it's bright, going higher. Second is Yahuta Ati Nedante. Nud Prerane Dhatu. Nedante, and they make sound. Lot of sound. Ati Nedante. So when meat, etc., they are offered, Mansadi. Mansa Ahuti used to be there. It makes lot of noise, that cut noise, and also some smell will be there. This is the second level. Those who perform like that, they will go to the world of noise and other things. So they say Pitruloka has lot of noise because Yamacharya lives there. So all the yatana you can hear. That ha ha muncha muncha happens there. It's written in the Bhashya here. And Yahuta Adhishyarate, when the offering just goes down, like Payasa or Somarasa. It is not like ghee, which will flare up the fire. It is not like the meat, which will make noise, sound. It will just go down. You say that is Prithvi Loka. या हुता अधिशरते किम ताभिर्जयति इति या हुता उज्ज्वलन्ति देवलोकमेव. Right ones go to Devaloka. ताभिर्जयति. Devaloka dhatu is
Tiv.
Div. क्रीडा विजिगिषा व्यवहार द्युति स्तुति मोद मद स्वप्न कांति गतिषु. 10 meanings are there. क्रीडा विजिगिषा व्यवहार द्युति स्तुति मोद मद स्वप्न कांति गतिषु. So they will attain Devalokam eva. ताभिर्जयति. दीप्यते. दीप्यते इव ही Devaloka, because Devaloka has shine. It is Deeptiman. So they will attain Devaloka. या हुता अतिनेदन्ते पितृलोकम एव ताभिर्जयति. Where there is lot of noise in the ahuti, they will attain Pitraloka. Why? Ativa hi Pitruloko ya huta adhisherate. Pitraloka has lot of noise. Adhisherate. Adhisherate shing swapne dhatu. Lat lakar pratham purush bahuvachana. Shing swapne is the dhatu. Swapna means sushupti is also there. Sherate. मनुष्यलोकम एव ताभिर्जयति अध इव हि मनुष्य. And adhisherate मनुष्यलोकम एव. Going down. Why? मनुष्यलोक is below. Below compared to Pitraloka, below compared to Devaloka. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.